In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Photoshop images turning black and white automatically. If you've opened an image in Photoshop and it suddenly appears in black and white, don't panic. This isn't usually a problem with your photo. Most of the time, it's just the document's color mode. When a file is set to grayscale or another non-color mode, Photoshop displays everything in shades of gray, even if the original image is full color. The fix is quick, and I'll walk you through two simple methods so you can get back to editing in color. Let's start with a clean, correctly configured document. Open Photoshop, go to the File menu in the top left corner and choose New. In the New Document window, find Color Mode and set it to RGB color. RGB is the standard for screens and general editing, so it's the best choice for most color images. Right below, change the bit depth from 8-bit to 16-bit. This gives you smoother gradients and more flexibility when adjusting exposure or color, which helps reduce banding in skies and other soft transitions. Just be aware that 16-bit files are larger, but the quality benefits can be worth it. Click Create to make the new canvas. Now bring your image into this document, drag it in or place it the way you usually do, and you should see it display in full color right away. From here, continue editing as normal. All your color adjustments, filters, and tools will behave as expected. If your image is already open and you want a faster fix, try the shortcut. With the image active, press Ctrl+2 on your keyboard. This instantly switches the document back to RGB color mode, and your image should pop back into color without opening any menus. It's a great quick reset if a setting changed mid-project. So why does this happen? When a document is set to grayscale, Photoshop removes the color channels and only allows gray values. Any image placed in that document will appear black and white on screen, even if the source is a full color photo. Switching the document to RGB restores those color channels so you can view and edit color correctly. Just keep in mind, if an original photo is genuinely black and white, changing modes won't invent color. It simply ensures color can be displayed if it's there. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the issue of images turning black and white in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical Photoshop tips and tutorials.